Do you wish to be more organized when it comes to meal planning and food shopping? Me too. I feel like when you meal plan and food prep, it simplifies life and saves you some money. We have a watermelon, mangada. I've forgotten the English name for this one, but I will put it there as I edit. Yellow bananas, oranges, mangoes, and lime. We use this lime in tea. Yes. For the vegetables, I have coriander, tomatoes, carrots, greens, we call this here nakati, and then this is buga. I also sent for some yams and beans. These are fresh beans that are to take me at least twice in a week. Then I have onions and green pepper. And I also sent for some. Yeah. All these groceries or vegetables and fruits are going to take me for a whole week. This is what I buy on a weekly basis. I have put together this weekly meal plan, not by myself, but everybody. We are a family of 6. So everybody has brought their contribution onto this meal plan. Coming Monday, inshallah, we will be having samosas for breakfast. Everybody knows samosas. Then for lunch, we'll have the fresh beans, posho, and nakati. Nakati are greens. Here, we call them nakati, they are greens. And on Tuesday, breakfast, we'll be having Rolex. Rolex is a Ugandan delicacy. It is chapati, eggs, tomatoes, onions. You can put cabbage if you want. Then for lunch, it will be fish, rice, and avocado. It will be boiled rice. I try to put greens on every meal. Wednesday, for breakfast, it will be noodles and eggs. This is mainly for the kids. They love this one. Then for lunch, it will be green peas. I forgot to order for these ones online earlier. That's why you didn't even see them in the vegetable haul, but we usually have green peas. I'll be having green peas. I think I will send for them during the week. Green peas, matoke, and pumpkin. Then on Thursday, it will be toasted bread. Lunch, it is G-nuts plus fish and buga. Buga is still a kind of greens here. We call it buga. Then on Friday, it will be chapati only. And lunch, it will be pilau and beef stew. I'll try to put on some kachumbari on there. Then Saturday, it will be eggs and noodles still. And lunch, it is beans, boiled rice, and nakati. Nakati is greens. Then Sunday is freestyle. Basically, anything that we want to grab, we will grab. Then anything that is available on Sunday, that is what we are having. Then it will be chicken stew, matoke, yams, and some avocado. I forgot to put the avocado in there. This is our weekly meal plan. It is printable. I got it off Pinterest. You can also go and print it out and fill it yourself. It helps you to stay organized and less stressed, because you don't want to get up every morning and people asking like, what are we having? And you totally have no idea. So this helps out a lot. I would like to thank my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the family, and my returning subscribers, my fellow YouTubers. Thank you so much for always supporting. I really appreciate all of you. May God bless all of you. You can follow me on Instagram. It will be down here. Yes. Until next time, inshallah, stay safe. I will catch you when I catch you.